please raise your right hand?
Right hand.
Very quiet, please. Very quiet. No talking. No talking. No talking. You can place your holy book, if you have one, in your left hand. Judge Blair, the candidates are ready to repeat the oath of citizenship.
Thank you very much, Isabel. Please repeat after me. I swear.
I swear.
That I will be faithful.
That I will be faithful.
And bear true allegiance.
And bear true allegiance.
To His Majesty.
To His Majesty.
Charles III.
King Charles III.
King of Canada.
King of Canada. His heirs and successors.
And that I will. Faithfully observe. Laws of Canada.
The laws of Canada.
Including the Constitution.
Including the Constitution.
Which recognizes and affirms.
Which recognizes and affirms.
The Aboriginal.
The Aboriginal.
Rights of.
And treaty rights of.
First Nations. Inuit and Métis peoples. Fulfill my duties. As a Canadian citizen. Very good. And as I promised, we will also recite the oath in French. Let's go. Je serai fidèle. Et porterai sincère allégeance à Sa Majesté, le roi Charles III,